Finally, Apple has launched iPhone 12. Guess what? iPhone 12 won't come with a charger in the box. I'm shocked that they're actually giving the box. वो भी मत दो, सिल्वर फॉइल में रैप करके दे दो. Luckily, Apple doesn't make cars. Otherwise, their cars will come without tires. अपना अपना खरीदो. The only major difference from iPhone 11 is that iPhone 12 has one extra camera lens. Going by this logic, iPhone 21 will look something like this. भाई लोग कैमरा लेंस को छोड़ो, बैटरी का कुछ करो. When it's time to take a picture, my iPhone is dead. क्या करूंगा मैं एक्स्ट्रा लेंस का? बैटरी में घुसाओ. For the first time, all models of iPhone 12 will come with an OLED display. iPhone fans are like, oh my god. Samsung had OLED in 2013. Apple कुछ भी करे ना, fans are like, oh my god. असली भक्त मोदी जी के नहीं, Apple के होते हैं. iPhone 12 will come with 5G support. सुनो जी, इधर 4G भी नहीं चलता. iPhone 12 will be powered by an A14 Bionic chipset which will make the phone a lot more faster. और कितना फास्ट करोगे? फोन नंबर टाइप करने से पहले डायल कर देगा क्या? कॉस्ट के बारे में सोचो. ब्रिंग डाउन द कॉस्ट. iPhone 12 mini costs $699. By the time it comes to India, it will be 70,000 rupees. Instead of that, you can buy 350 liters of beer. You decide. By background में थोड़ा sad music डालना. Yeah, alright, let's go. Every year, lakhs of iPhone 6 users go in a massive depression because 5,000 का Oppo phone has better features. If you don't act now, these iPhone 6 users will never be able to take a selfie again. Help me upgrade from iPhone 6 to iPhone 12. Donate now to my iCare fund. आप दूसरों को iPhone दो, भगवान आपको MacBook Pro देगा.